Hey guys, are you ready? This is another collection of amazing web-based gadgets. Some of them are useful while others are quite entertaining. Moreover, there are other features that designers and gamers would like. Please indicate in the comments area which devices you would want to see in your upcoming videos. This fascinating sphere looks like it came from another planet. The idea is not hard to understand. Just turn and tilt the toy, and the liquid inside will flow and make beautiful patterns. You can also use a magnet to play with this thing. Very strong polycarbonate is used to make the sphere. This is also an aluminum stand that you can buy separately. This is a great way to decorate your desk. Looking for a strong and simple method of using a phone gimbal? Finally, this gimbal stands out because of its built-in AI vision sensor. Smart Gestures enables you to change the soothing mode and disable face tracking when necessary without even touching the phone. Additionally, this device has 3-axis stability and built-in LED lighting with 3 brightness levels for fans of cinematic photography. The gimbal offers numerous settings including time-lapse, inception, and daily zoom. The device uses USB-C to charge, allowing for a single charge to last up to 9 hours of use. Additionally, you may use the gimbal as a power bank because it enables two-way charging. Even though this Batmobile is much smaller than the original one, it's full of professional-grade hardware. The high-quality camera has a dual-core processor and LED lighting that can be changed. The package comes with all of the parts and tools you need to put the Batmobile together from scratch. Plus, you get this sleek controller with an LCD screen built right in. But even without it, AI and machine learning can teach the car to drive on its own. 14 QR code cards can be used as triggers. When you show the card to the Batmobile, it will do something. Most importantly, you can connect this to your computer and add new features to your card to learn how to program. It is sometimes very hard to tell the difference between real magic and an optical illusion. Just look at this moving piece of art. To start the mesmerizing motion, all you have to do is spin it slowly. It looks like a liquid, but it's actually a solid piece of aluminum. The secret is in how each piece is shaped. Even though they look like simple circles, they are very complicated. If you need more strange things, check out this puzzle made of bullets. It is made up of 6 parts that fit together and look like rounds. This thing is easy to take apart, but it's not so easy to put back together. Going to take some time. Now if you like old technology, you will like really this Nixie tube clock. So first of all, it uses real Nixie tubes made by hand in 1960s. Besides that, the clock has a high quality aluminum case and brass and steel parts. This thing can show the time in 5 different places from London and New York to Dubai, Geneva and Taipei. Here's the bad news. There are only 100 copies of the clock, so the price is too high. Compared to this model, it's still a pretty good deal. The well-known German artist Frank Beckwald made this clock. It's made of brass and steel all the way through. It also works as an alarm. Some cosplayers don't stop at anything when they make their amazing customers. So this guy decided to build a life-size version of the League of Legends skin Aether wing scale. It was made about 1,000 hours and cost about $1,500. But the end result is worth for its sheer. The main parts of the suit are aluminum, evaphone and acrylic. As you can see, the huge wings work well and have bright LED lights on them. Looks cool. Even though they're big, they're easy to control with a special app on your phone. It's hard to believe that the person who made it is not a trained engineer and had to start over with everything. But it must be pretty and hardwired this thing. It's heavier than 40 pounds. That's the price you pay for the awesome. This screwdriver is unique in every way, thanks to its clever design. First of all, it's based on the famous Apollo 11 mission. Besides that, this thing stands out because it does some great things. At last, you don't have to use your hand to hold the screw. The magnetic tips keep the screw from falling off. The tool comes with more than 20 different bites that can be changed out. Also, there's a cool mat that keeps all of your pieces in order. The length can be changed, which is another cool feature. You can move the tool in 4 different positions, which makes it easy to get tight spaces. You will love how easy and smooth it is to use. But the base can be turned. So this is the best way to fix small things, no matter if it's your glasses, phone or something else. Here are some computer accessories that can enhance your office and gaming setup. This keypad, for example, is an excellent tool for designers. It connects to your computer wirelessly or through USB and provides a complete set of 40 programmable shortcut keys. This device is entirely compatible with professional software regardless of the operating system. A wide illuminated dial makes it easy to change the brush size and other parameters. Here another wireless remote that works with a number of graphic tablets and displays. It has 17 fully programmable buttons, and even though it's small, it can work for up to 60 hours on a single charge. If you need more than one remote control, you can use up to 5 remotes at the same time if you pair them. Last but not least, there's this powerful gameboard with 25 programmable keys and an analog stick. Well, it's been on the market for a while, but it's still popular and keeps getting good reviews. Directly from the box, there are some settings for a lot of popular games that have already been put in. Also, this thing has an LCD screen that shows your game statistics and messages from other players. The built-in palm rest and ergonomic design makes sure that your hand won't hurt after playing for hours. Most likely you have heard about spirulina. It's a kind of algae that is said to be full of vitamins, minerals and other good things. You know what's good for you, and here's a tool that lets you grow that green thing right in your kitchen. Only a few steps are needed. Pour some water into the bowl, then put in the nutrient tablet and some living spirulina. The gadget will change the temperature and lighting on its own for the next 5 days. With the mobile app, you can find out when your spirulina is done. You can now put it in your smoothie. You can use spirulina to make ice cubes or almost anything else. Next is a medical tool that looks more futuristic than the newest smartphones. This is a new kind of stethoscope that is small and sleek but has a lot of useful features. First of all, this can multiply sounds by more than 100, so you can hear the harder sounds of high blood pressure even through the clouds. You can also change the volume and set different filter frequencies. The stethoscope comes with high quality earbuds, but it can also be used with other headphones and speakers. A USB charger is included with the device. You get a bunch of adapters and a mobile kit that lets you connect the stethoscope directly to your phone or tablet. This lets you listen to, save and share the recordings you make. Cool! Even if you already have a lot of fish spinners, you should check out this one. It stands out because its mechanism is very complicated. It has 6 tungsten steel bearing and 6 shells. Now comes the most interesting part. When you start to spin it, the shells open up like a transformer. The sound is just as interesting as the way it looks. The body of the spinner is made of high quality metal. You can choose from 3 materials: stainless steel, titanium and zirconium. If you want to add some color, there are special slots left just for that.